Cheers, my brother. That's how you end the regular season right here.
Wow. Last time we played Chicago, it didn't fare so well for Ben Johnson. This week, we're in Soldier Field. They in a much different place than they was in the beginning of the season. We in a much different place than we was in the beginning of the season. But you cannot erase history. So, in celebration of the last time we faced each other, today I am making my Chef Geech world famous 50 burger. Now you can use that 50 any way you want to. You can count it as 50 points, you can count it as $50. This is an exquisite burger that you can only get when you drop 50 on your mans, all right? When you drop 50 on your mans, make him a 50 burger. If you ever playing Madden and you drop 50 on your mans, he owe you one of these 50 burgers. From now on, that's the rule. If I drop 50 on you, if one of my players drop 50 on you in 2K, you gotta make me a 50 burger every time. So, first step to the 50 burger, roasted garlic. Key point. We're gonna roast this garlic. Just chop the top off with my serrated knife. Pour some olive oil on the inside. Get all up in there. Yep. So we're gonna roast this. The roasted garlic is gonna go in our truffle oil garlic aioli. Woo! 50 burger. I'm gonna say 50 burger a lot throughout here. 50 burger, baby. You ain't never had a burger like this. Pop that in the oven. All right, next we're gonna make my famous bacon, blueberry jam. Y'all said bacon, okay? And there's gonna be a lot of people in the comments like, you ain't important, you said you. All right, I know what I said. Today is the last day of the season and I ain't got time, all right? I'm stressed out, okay? I've been dealing with 18 weeks of stress and I need some liquid gold bacon fat in my life. So I got some bacon from an anonymous place that I can't name, I almost did. But got some bacon from there and they had blueberry bacon. And I was like, that's crazy because I'm about to make some blueberry bacon jam. So I might as well just get blueberry bacon. So I got a whole pound of blueberry bacon. I'm gonna put that whole pound in here, all right? Because I really just want the bacon fat, and then I'm gonna cut up some of that bacon and actually use it in the jam. So get you a pound of bacon. It ain't gotta be blueberry bacon. It could be regular bacon. I looked up on some blueberries, so that's what I'm putting in here, boom. And we just wanna get all that fat rendered off of there, that's it. All right, while that fat rendering, I'm gonna cut these red onions down, just in a nice dice, you know what I'm saying? Nice dice. Just perfect for the 50 burger, you know what I'm saying? Like, if we beat them by 50 this time, I don't know what I'm gonna make. I don't know. I can't make a 100 burger, you know, but I will. That's what I will do. All right, I'm gonna dice these red onions up. Extra promo for J-Mo. This is shirt. I gotta get a knife sharpener or something. God dang, this knife dull as hell. Hey, it rolled out with me this whole season, baby. I can't get mad at it. I ain't mad at the knife. I ain't mad at my lions. Hey, man. Great season, y'all. Great season. I have no complaints about, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I could complain. I could complain for sure, but it is what it is, man. Hey, we ain't gonna get a Super Bowl overnight, but we will get one. Yeah, I gotta get a new knife. This boy ain't cutting it. Literally. Next step, I took my bacon out the pan, let all that fat render is in there doing its thing before it burned up on me. I'm about to hurry up and move fast, baby. I'm gonna put the bourbon in there to deglaze the pan. Then I'm coming red onions. Boom! Yes, sirski. Right up in there like that, for sure. All right, then I'm gonna let my onions just caramelize in that bacon fat, that bourbon, get that bourbon flavor, that smoky bourbon flavor on there. Look, man, 18 weeks, dog, of cooking. I can't believe I made this many recipes. I ain't cooked this much in a long time, but it was well worth it, and I had a ball. What a way to end it, a 50 burger. What a way to end the season, a 50 burger. We're gonna do it again. All right, so you're gonna cook that onion until it's down, then add your brown sugar and your blueberries. Let the blueberries bust open in there, you know what I'm saying? Get all that blueberry juice in there, and then you just put it to the side until we get to the next step. All right, I'm gonna add the brown sugar in here. And then last but not least, I'm gonna pop my blueberries in there, and they're gonna pop, sugar pop in the pop, now slide. And like I said, just cook all of that down, man. Let them blueberries get cooked down. Let all the water from the blueberries come out of there, bro. You're gonna use some nice bacon, red onion, blueberry jam. All right, so blueberry jam is just about ready. I'm gonna cut this bacon up real dicey, throw it back in there in the pot, and I'm gonna finish it off with some salt, pepper, and I'm gonna even toss in some extra butter in there for extra flavor, you know what I'm saying? And fold that butter in at the end. And then that's your blueberry jam, bro. That's pretty much it. Cut that bacon up, throw that bacon in there. I just went full rogue with this pork. I ain't gonna lie, just, it is what it is, dog. I ain't gonna die today. I ain't gonna die today. Throw the rest of that bacon fat in there. Boom, there go the bacon. And like I said, I'm gonna fold this butter in there. Woo. Gonna put that down to a slow. Yes, sirski. Put a little salt and pepper on that mug. Call it a day. All right, that's your blueberry jam. We're gonna put that to the side. Now we're about to focus on our truffle aioli. First step is get you some truffle oil, you know, or get you some fresh truffles if you got money like that. I don't, so we just bought some truffle oil. Matter of fact, we bought the cheapest truffle oil they had there too, by the way. So throw a little truffle oil in there. I'm winging this sauce recipe, so I'm gonna say about a third cup of the truffle oil. Just throw that in there, maybe even a fourth. All right, from there we're gonna go to the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise, I think a half a cup will get the job done. Boom. I might even throw a little bit more in there. Might go 3/4. Might go 3/4 on. All right, from the mayonnaise, we're going roasted garlic. Remember that roasted garlic from earlier? Yes, sir, Ski. We're gonna squeeze that in there. Ooh, hot shit. I'm going down now, baby. Get all that shit out. Hot. All right, so now I'm about to add the horseradish in here. Just a little bit, not too much. You don't want to overpower the flavor. We're going from there, a little hot sauce. I'm gonna cut back on the hot sauce since I went a little bit too much on the horseradish, like 2 tablespoons. Not even, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. We're gonna shake up that mustard, so we won't get no mustard water in here. Put a little mustard in here, about a tablespoon of that as well. Ketchup. Just a worldwide mess today, I ain't gonna lie. Like, this stuff everywhere. My favorite weapon of choice. It's time to show down, baby. Yes, sirski. You know what? I'm forgetting something. Add a little onion powder in there, just for good measure. Like a teaspoon and a half. Yeah. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. Welcome to 50 Burger, home of the 50 Burger. Can I take your order? Yeah, buddy. I gotta sell these big bag sauces. I'm telling you, they killer. They killer. I got my garlic aioli, right? But peep this. I told y'all this a 50 burger. I told y'all this a 50 burger, right? So we don't just use regular ingredients on our 50 burger. So we just not gonna use regular pickles. I thought about making some homemade pickles. I thought about making some homemade pickles. And then I said to myself, you know what? What would be better than some homemade pickles? Capers. We're gonna put capers in the sauce. We're gonna put capers in here. We're not gonna do the pickles. We're gonna do the capers instead. Yeah. Damn, I wish that I could pull up with my spark. A lot of that I ain't know they left me in the dark. Tired I've been chasing paper. Took 2 hours out my day to take your girl to capers. Topped it with the long dread looking like a glacier. Gonna put the capers in there. You ain't never seen a burger like this. We got capers. We even gonna throw a little caper juice in there. Just a little caper juice. Capers got that same kind of like funky, you know, pickle taste. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we gonna use instead of pickles for this 50 burger. Y'all gonna love me after this. I'm gonna make you love me, baby. Put a couple more capers in there. You can't never have too many capers. Can't never have too many capers. I promise you that. We're gonna get that a nice little toss. And that's your 50 burger sauce. Time to get to the burger part. The main part of the 50 burger. Can't have a 50 burger without a burger. So you don't want 100% lean beef, all right? You don't get a juicy burger without fat, all right? So I like to go 75-25 for my burger. This one ain't. This one 18-15. I ain't gonna lie to you. But I'm gonna throw some onion soup mix in here, right? Next, blue cheese. Yes, blue cheese. Fresh out the wrapper too. Just a little crumble, a little bit of crumble, a little bit of crumble of blue cheese. Yeah, 50 burger meat, please. And I'm just gonna toss all this together. I'm gonna get that a nice little toss together. The blue cheese, the burger meat, the onion soup mix. Get that all incorporated, right? Because guess what we gonna make? Some smash burgers. Why? Because in the words of the great tribal chief, last time we played them, I smashed you, dog. That's what tribal chief say. That's what the tribal chief say. Can't say pause to the tribal chief. Can't say that. That's what you can't do. All right, boom. 50 burger is incorporated to the best of my ability. So now I'm about to take out like little lumps, like probably like a 4 ounce. I want to take a nice little 4 ouncer out, maybe a little bigger. Add a little bit more on there. And I got some shredded jalapenos right here that I threw on the mandolin real thin. I'm gonna put them right on top. Watch. You gonna see. You gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Get like a nice little 4 ounce boil. All right, so we're going burger. Jalapenos on the burger, right? A little salt, a little pepper. Then we're gonna smash Hawk, baby. We're gonna smash that a little bit more, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna throw the cheese, cheddar, a little Gouda, boom. Ugh, 150 burger. So as you can see, This shit so fire, it got the alarms going on. But you can't stop greatness, baby. No, sir. That's when you know your shit hot. Make it hot, top. Then on this one, we come in American cheese. All right, bet. So now it's time to put this baby in motion. You know what I'm saying? 50 burger sauce on top and bottom bun. Yeah, get that capers in there, all of that. Yup, 50 burger bun sauce. Boom. Arugula. Heirloom tomatoes. We going all out, baby. We doing the big dog tomatoes, not them little dog tomatoes. And it's orange. Talk to me nice. Serrated nice. Thinly sliced. 50 burger. 50 boys. I fried shallot. I'll throw the fried shallots on there. Dang, Geech, but you already got the onion blueberry jam. I ain't forget about it. I ain't forget about the bacon jam, man. That's what I didn't forget about. That's what you gotta know. We put the shallots, we put the onions on top of the onion. Yes, sirski. Sauce on the top bun, and there you have it, baby. I'm just doing too much at this point. I got some garlic butter parm over here. We gonna just lather the top of the bun with the garlic. You don't drop 50 burgers like that, huh? All right, let me make a second one, dog, cause I gotta make 2 burgers today. I ain't gonna lie, like I gotta make enough food for 2, cause I gotta have Raj. Raj, I need you to come over here today, boy. Come on, I need you to come over here today. Today, me and you, we gonna share this burger for the last week of the season. This ain't the last week of Platebook. It's the last week of the season, man. It's been a long, hard-fought season. Your team played hard, my team played hard. We're gonna enjoy this 50 burger together. Let me get you right. Make sure yours right. I ain't gonna lie. Let me get you right. Good. You want some of this bacon blueberry jam? Okay, for sure. Say less. I got you. Sauce on the top, sauce on the bottom, huh? Yes, indeed. With the cape. Took 2 hours out my day to take your girl to caper. Yeah, a little butter parm on yours too. You get all the love. All the same love I got, baby. You get everything. 'Cause you deserve it. You deserve it, Roger. You deserve it. All right, come check me out. All right, come on, man. Come on. Get you some of this burger too, man. Get you some of this 50 burger. It's been a long season. We knocked it out. My brother.
Good regular season.
Good regular season. You know, well, for some of us. You know, congratulations to you,
winning.
boys.
It feels good to be winning again.
Congratulations to y'all. He's a Patriots fan. Shout out to the Patriots for making it to the playoffs, man. I wish you guys
to be winning again. I swear, man.
I wish you guys nothing but the best of luck.
We back. What we got here?
50 burger, man.
50
blueberry
burger.
Bacon jam, fried shallots, 50 burger sauce with the capers in it, Gouda, cheddar, American, 2 smash burgers, arugula, heirloom tomatoes.
Cheers, my brother. Worth the mess.
So much mess. So much. If y'all can see the kitchen, there's way more mess. Worth it though.
Worth the mess.
So much. If y'all can see the kitchen, there's way more mess. Worth it though.
Got a little bit of everything. Got a little bit of heat from the jalapenos, a little sweetness from the blueberries.
I forgot about the jalapeno. I do taste the jalapeno.
And got the crunch from the arugula. Hey, 50 burger.
50 burger is I ain't gonna lie.
That's how you end the regular season right here.
Wow. Wait till y'all see what we got in store for the playoffs. Wild card, divisional, championship, Super Bowl, Platebook.